Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change game directory of Genshin Impact without re-downloading on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Whenever you download and install Genshin Impact, by default it is installed in the system drive, which is C drive mostly. If you want to move Genshin Impact to somewhere else for better experience, then this guide is for you. First, if you are running Genshin Impact application in your system right now, simply exit out of it. Now, go and right-click the application and click on Open File Location. Now, right-click on Genshin Impact and click on Cut. Paste the folder wherever you want it to. Let me go to Downloads and paste it in right here in this page. Sometimes you won't be able to cut it and paste it somewhere else, so in that case what you can do is go to any other application. For example, let me go to Notepad over here and right click on the application and click on Run as Administrator. Select Yes from the pop-up and now simply click on Continue. You can see that the application has been moved somewhere else. Now open up the Genshin Impact folder and delete the file name config. Scroll all the way down and find the config file name and simply delete it away. The config file will be generated automatically according to the new install folder to the directory where you just moved Genshin Impact next time you open the launcher. And so there is absolutely no need to worry about deleting the config file. Now simply go ahead and open your launcher and you'll be able to run the game from your new installation directory. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.